Getting started with a project in Visual Studio 2022 involves setting up a suitable environment to leverage the powerful features of the IDE. First, ensure that you have the necessary prerequisites, such as a local server environment like xampp or wamp, which allows you to run applications locally. Next, install the Tools extension for Visual Studio, which enhances support for development, including debugging, intellisense, and project management. Once the extension is installed, create a new project by selecting the appropriate template. This will set up the basic structure needed for your application. You can then begin organizing your code, utilizing the integrated features of Visual Studio for efficient coding and debugging. Additionally, take advantage of source control integration for version management. Finally, familiarize yourself with the debugging tools available in Visual Studio to streamline the development process and improve code quality.